All right, what's up, everyone? This is Mike with the watch list video for Friday, June 28th. Let me try to get this right by memory. Some people in chat were talking about a week from today is the 4th, so the market will be closed. I think it's a 1 o'clock close the day before that on Wednesday. And I think, double check this, and I think it's a full day on Friday, but it's going to be real dead on Friday, I'm sure. And probably dead all week. You got another holiday in the middle of the week. So summer trading, it is what it is. SPY just chopping sideways, putting in a bunch of narrow range days on low volume. There's still things moving. There's still some nice posts in chat. Let me slide this up real quick for new faces in chat. Pause the video and read that. Get you up to speed a little more quickly about what we do. I did make a video today, midday, I only had one trade to highlight because I'd only taken one trade by the time I made the video, and that was DJT. And just going to show you real quick you know what, I got after hours on here. We don't need that. This was the opening candle, and this was the entry. And we got like a $1.50 move in our favor. But watch the video. It's on my YouTube channel. I also tweeted it on StockTwits and Twitter. If you want to understand the reasons for the entry. I'm going to start doing that every day to try to get newer people in chat up to speed with why we call what we call, and then you'll start to quickly learn the setups. Our free webinars will also help expedite that, so check those out if you have time too. All right, so what are we watching on Friday to possibly catch some trades in? CASI, nice breakout today, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. Penny stock, but it's kind of interesting, right? Big volume here, sideways, and big volume again over these levels, like over that horizontal line. This one could break out, so I am going to watch that one. ORMP, inside day after yesterday's pop. Again, this is a thin stock. Doubt I'll trade it. DXYZ, nice volume today. Hasn't had this kind of volume for, I don't know, over a month, right? And curl up, and it actually did have, you know, a reason for the spike. I'm not going to go into it here, but certainly worth watching for a possible follow-through day tomorrow. Probably one of my favorite ones actually going into tomorrow. GOVX had that big rip today. We had it on Bounce Watch, but closed about in the middle of its range. Any way you slice it, it is an in-play stock, so it goes back on watch for tomorrow. I threw Rivian, RIVN on there. You had the gap up and the sell-off, then the gap down, and then the climb. So it's closed here. You know, I don't know who's winning. You got Bears won this day, Bulls won this day, and it's about the same. It closed about the same spot both days, but it's an in-play stock, so I'm putting that one on watch as well. That's RIVN. DAKT, quiet inside day, maybe a third day setup there. Sleeper pick VFS. Just got a horizontal line here. I keep seeing some volume spikes. You see this day and this day you had a little extra volume. As I'm trading, I keep seeing this thing. It did have a big run back here. So, I don't know. It's a sleeper pick, but let's watch it. NXL. Again, really wicky, right? A lot of wicks on it, but it's holding up better than I thought it would. Gave us a nice trade, I think, yesterday, so we're going to keep watching it. NNE had this crazy move from like $7 to 37. And now you've got 2 days in a row down into that buy zone between the 8 and the 20 day. We like this area. So I am putting this on Bounce Watch for tomorrow. We'll see if it gives a bounce play setup like we teach. SLNH, a thin stock, but I'm also treating this as a bounce play after this 2-day pullback. COSM, I got to decide. Yeah, this is on Gap Watch. Closed at 68 cents. Had news in after hours. It went up to $1.23. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 97 cents. So if it's still gapping in the morning, it goes on the gap play list. CARM, same thing. There's the daily. It's trading at 188 right now. So that one will also, if it's still gapping, went as high as 250, by the way, in after hours. And then NKE, Nike. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 87.25. So it's trading at new lows. Let me, yeah, new lows for the year. There's 3 years weekly. So even going back 3 years, the lowest price you see is 82.22. Again, it's at 87.18 right now. So it's trading about where my, right about there, where the horizontal line is. This could be one of the gap down bounce play setups because it's a big name like Nike. Those are the ones we look for those in. and sometimes the gaps down on earnings are overdone, and the funds suck it up from the open on, right? So let's keep our eyes on that possibility. Might be one of those gap down plays where it gets bought from the open on. So that's it. We'll add gappers together in the pre-market tomorrow as well. I will see you guys then. I'm done babbling. Have a good night.